how did you end up in real estate? Where did you start?
So I'm originally from California, Apple Valley, California to be precise. Before that, it was Norwalk. I joined up back in 2005 when I got out of high school. Joined straight in the Army, came here. My grandparents, long time ago, were stationed here, and they met here. Which obviously you know. So when they found out I was coming here to Fort Huachuca,
Love this story.
they were like, "Oh, you're gonna meet the love of your life there, and you're gonna get married, and you're gonna have kids, and all that stuff." And I told them, "Hell no! I'm gonna do what every 18-year-old male does: buy a fast car, and hopefully pick up lots of women."
Yeah.
Met you, and well, 18 years later, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18 years. Let's see. After Huachuca, we went to Fort Hood. We were there for 3 years. Did Mosul. From there, went to Carson. Did Carson for 3. Afghanistan for 12. We got out, I went to school to be PTA. Things didn't work out as well. So then eventually I ended up on post, doing the drones again, teaching Gray Eagle and the Shadow. And I love that. Again, back to teaching them and,
You really liked that.
Yeah, I like teaching. Like I like making sure whoever I'm talking to understands like what it is. If they're trying to learn something, I'll give them everything they can to learn.
Yeah.
And
It's
the
a
other
quality
thing,
you possess. It's like you like to be thorough about things and make sure people understand it.
everything about it,